Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to fix once human stuck on loading screen. So what you need to do at first is, if you have any other internet software, let's say Cloudflare, Warp, things like that, please disable them because they do cause the problem. Another possible fix is you search for control panel, just like so, and this thing will open up. It might also show you as large icons or small icons, whichever one it is. You want to click on network and sharing center. From there, what you want to do is click on change advanced settings, which is the third option. And over here you can see that you have like private networks, and as you can see, this thing, your PC can find and be found by other devices on the network. You can try turning this off because this causes a lot of problems sometimes. Next up, what you want to do is click on change adapter settings, and then whatever you're connected to, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right click on that one, go to properties, and then you see this option which is IPv6, Internet Protocol version 6. You want to uncheck this, click on OK, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.